Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong December 1 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang ang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see what's coming to you. December 1 to 15. Energy update for Aries. For Aries. Clean it up. Ayan, maaring may mga cleansing kayong gagawin. Posibleng literal na maglilinis kayo ng bahay, decluttering, removing unnecessary things. 'Di ba ganon na minsan hindi natin namamalayan, sobrang dami na pala nating mga naipong kalat or gamit na hindi naman na natin ginagamit. So you're going to clean things. Pwede rin tong paglilinis ng mga tao sa paligid mo, like anyone na sa tingin mo ay hindi na serving your highest good. So you're going to remove that, remove them from your life. You also have the young energy. So this is action, passion, inspiration. So I feel like ngayong first half ng December, you will feel inspired to try new things, to be more creative. Between worlds. Yes, you are transitioning, no? Maaring iba sa inyo paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, or you are glowing up. Oo. May glow up ka ngayong first half ng December. And you will gain more confidence ngayong December because alam mo yung kakayanan mo, alam mo na yung, kumbaga may tiwala ka na sa sarili mo ngayon, you believe in yourself, and you will be celebrated by a lot of people. May mga confetti rito So, maaring merong recognition, awards, na you will receive ngayong December 1 to 15. Okay, what else? For Aries, you have the Knight of Wands. So that is your energy. Fire sign. You have the World, the King of Cups. Meron din rito ang water sign energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have the Page of Cups, the Justice card. So, energy rin ng Libra. So, it seems na you are following your dreams. Ngayon, mas pinipili mo kung saan ka mas magiging masaya. Kung saan ka mas, saan mo mas may enjoy yung creativity mo. Saan ka mas magiging malaya. Ganon. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you may be changing jobs, changing careers, and some of you are, magte-take kayo ng risk of trying to live away from your previous house. Na parang, halimbawa, dati nakatira ka sa norte, ngayon titira ka sa south, mga ganon. Or iba naman, pwedeng pag-abroad or maglalakas loob ka na magkaroon ng negosyo through international trading. And I see you becoming more passionate sa ginagawa mo. Some of you, this is a major decision na gagawin nyo ngayong first half ng December na pag inisip mo parang bakit mo gagawin yan, medyo risky yan, oo, but for you parang wala kayong sasayanging oras alam nyo kasi na time is gold. Alam nyo na kung kaya nyo nang gawin ngayon, gagawin nyo na, hindi nyo na ipagpapaliban pa. Let's see what else, other messages for Aries. Some of you meron ditong confession ng feelings. sa isang tao. So, if you are connecting with someone, pwedeng may magko-confess sa'yo or maaring ikaw yung magko-confess ng feelings mo doon sa other person. 'Di ba? You are definitely taking a risk, Aries. Chances are rolling with it. You are parang all out ka ngayon na okay, sige yan, gagawin ko yan, sige. Plano ko to, sige, go. You are taking some risks. And at the same time, strategic ka rin. Meron kang master plan. Ayan. You know what you're doing. Alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Kasi matagal mo na yung pinag-isipan Pwede ngayon mo lang talaga na buo sa sarili mo na okay, gagawin ko na. Gagawin ko na talaga. You may be connecting with a water sign kasi ang lakas ng water sign element dito, no? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you are emotionally connected with someone right now. Yung iba deeply in love. Okay, wait, may nalaglag. Okay, in sync, together as a unit. Yeah, so you are working with people na very creative, or you are surrounded by people who are supportive of you. Oo. Suportado ka sa mga mga ganap mo. Suportado ka nila sa mga trip mo sa buhay, sa mga gusto mong gawin. Going within, no? O, sabi ko na 'di ba? All out kayo ngayon. You are also self-reflecting. Marami kang gustong matuklasan pa Marami kang gustong ma-discover. Okay, so let's get some cards for your money, career, finances. For Aries. 4 of Cups. You have the Knight of Wands. I think hindi mo na palalagpasin ng opportunity na binibigay sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng, nung mga nakaraan, hinayaan mong makalagpas yan sa'yo. Ngayon, hindi na. Oo. You will definitely take chances. You are finally motivated, inspired. Ayan Page of Wands. Road to self-discovery. Pagdating sa career mo, you are also, expanding your knowledge, expanding your talents, your skill set. Sa love life naman, Knight of Swords. Okay, you have the Emperor and the Hanged Man. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are connecting with someone romantically at feeling mo itong person na to is emotionally unavailable, yung tipong hindi nagbibigay ng parang attention sa'yo, I feel like you're going to talk to that person. Finally, kakausapin mo siya. Anong problema? Bakit ganon? But if you are single, you might pwedeng merong person na maging very yung parang assertive or aggressive sa'yo, na maging close sa'yo. But I think you don't want this kind of person na parang masyadong pushy. Oo. So, iiwasan mo yung taong to kasi feeling mo parang nagsa-step na siya sa boundaries mo, lalo na kung hindi mo naman talaga gusto. Okay? Adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. So, maaring meron ka mga plans ngayong first half ng December na kailangan mong i-reconsider, or may mga sacrifices na kailangan kang gawin para matuloy yung mga plano mo or magawa mo, makumpleto mo ang isang bagay na gusto mong matapos. a time to give rather than take. New moon in Virgo. So that's what I'm saying kanina na um, hindi lang bigay ng hindi lang kuha ng kuha, but also you have to give. You have to make some sacrifices para makuha mo rin yung gusto mong resulta. Okay? Ayan. And it's time to take action, Aries. So, overall talaga yan yung energy nyo ngayong first half ng December. You're going to be very busy, taking action, making some changes in your life. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!